In this class we will learn how to transform sketches into blocks, which can be stored in the project library and used by multiple users. Open the available sketch and let's get started. To make the work easier, let's add the Blocks toolbar to the Command Manager. We right-click on one of the tabs, check that the Blocks tab is not in the list and click on Customize Command Manager. We right-click on any tab, and in Add tab, choose the Blocks bar from the drop-down list. We close the window and now we have the Blocks bar in the Command Manager. To save this sketch, a sketch block is very easy. Just select it, click on Save Sketch as Block, set a location to save and a name. We open a new file part and we will insert the created block. In the toolbar Blocks, we click on Insert Block. We select the desired plane, in our case the front plane, and click Browse to locate the saved block. We select the block, click Open and click on the source to position it. With each click of the mouse in the graphic area, block is inserted. We confirm the insertion. Let's look at further other operations with blocks, starting a new part file. In the Sketch toolbar, we select the Text tool and choose the front plane. We type Render in the text box and confirm the command. Imagine Render wants to mark its name on all of its products, which are modeled in SolidWorks. In order not to draw the sketch on all the pieces, let's save it as a block, using the menu tools, Blocks, Save. See that we can now easily insert it into our files. To make it even easier, let's save this block in the project library, the design library, accessed in the task pane. We click on the tab of the design library and fix the task pane. In the Feature Manager, we expand the sketch that contains the block. We select the block and then click on Add to Library in the task pane. Notice in the Property Manager that the selected block is listed. The software defines an automatic name, but we change it to Render Block. The next step is to choose the folder to save. If you do not have a folder listed, cancel the command, click Add File Location, select the folder that will be added, and click OK. Select the block again, activate the Add to Library command, rename, choose the folder to save, and confirm the command. Once this is done, the block becomes available in the design library and, to insert it, simply drag and click on the graphic area. We have seen in this class how to create a tile and add it to the library, making it easy to insert it into SolidWorks files.